Ever heard of a bird that looks wild, acts bold, and makes farmers millions? It's not your everyday chicken or duck. It's the Guinea fowl, a bird native to Africa that's now shaking up poultry farms across Asia. With meat that's rich, eggs that hatch strong chicks, and a diet that slashes feeding costs, this bird is the quiet jackpot of poultry farming. Today, we'll show you how Guinea fowl are raised, cared for, and turned into big profits, and why this strange-looking bird might just be the smartest farming choice you've never considered. Guinea fowl, the hidden gem of poultry farming. In most parts of Asia, poultry means chickens, ducks, or maybe quails. But the Guinea fowl, it's still rare. Yet it's quickly gaining attention for its delicious, lean meat and wild charm. High-end restaurants in Vietnam, Thailand, China, and the Philippines are now putting it on menus. Prices range from $5 for chicks to $30 for full-grown birds. In markets where it's still considered exotic, the price goes even higher. That's why smart farmers are starting small Guinea fowl farms and seeing huge returns. Smart setup, housing and breed selection. Guinea fowl aren't like chickens. They need space and calm. First step, pick strong, healthy birds. Then, build a secure coop with plenty of room to roam. These birds love perching, so install sturdy perches for rest and protection. Use wire mesh to cover the coop and keep them safe, because Guinea fowl can fly short distances and get scared easily. Soft lights at night help calm them. It's not just about protection. It's about keeping the birds stress-free for better growth and egg laying. Natural feeding for better profits. Guinea fowl are low maintenance when it comes to food. Unlike commercial chickens, they don't need expensive feed. They thrive on rice bran, corn, potatoes, and leafy greens. Clean water is a must, and in summer, they need more of it, along with electrolytes and vitamin C to stay healthy. This natural diet saves a lot of money and helps farmers run their poultry operations with lower overheads, while still raising high-quality birds. Why raise Guinea fowl? These birds are excellent for beginners. They're strong, don't fall sick easily, and eat just about anything. Bugs, seeds, weeds, and more. If you're tired of chemical pest control, Guinea fowl are a natural alternative. They eat ticks, grasshoppers, flies, even mice and rats. Just one flock can keep your garden clean without harming your plants. Plus, they don't need much space or fancy housing. If you want farm-fresh eggs and lean meat, all while spending less, Guinea fowl are a smart choice. Choosing the right location and shelter. You don't need a fancy setup. Just choose a quiet place away from traffic and noise. Make sure there's clean water, electricity if possible, and good road access. Guinea fowl don't need a big coop. You can build a simple shed or use part of a barn. They only need about 2 to 3 square feet each. Use dry bedding like straw or wood shavings and keep the floor clean. Add some roosts since they love to perch. If you want to stop them from flying off, use a covered pen. These birds can fly over 400 feet at once. Eggs, meat, and market demand. These birds are not just good for meat. Their eggs are valuable too. Guinea fowl lay eggs mostly between March and October. To hatch strong chicks, eggs must be stored at 17 to 20 degrees Celsius with about 60% humidity. The rest are sold, and they sell well. When it comes to food, Guinea fowl meat is packed with protein, iron, vitamin B6, and zinc, but low in fat. Whether it's stewed with herbs or fried crispy, its flavor stands out from regular chicken. It's healthy, tasty, and perfect for Weight Watchers and heart patients.